disappears around the curve, going down the valley of the Rio de Los Pinos, the River of the Pine. Up on the hill above us, you see where we just came down from Cumbres Pass and around Tanglefoot Curve. In the old days of the railroad, they'd bring trains up from Chama in small pieces and assemble them into a big long train up on the sidings up on Cumbres Pass. One locomotive like this could take 70 cars down this side of the hill. It's 14 miles from Chama at just below 8,000 feet up to the pass. Antonito's almost exactly the same elevation, just below 8,000 feet, but it's 50 miles on this side. 14